Roti is a fluffy, layered flatbread, and it is absolutely delicious as is served with some curries. But I want to take it to the next level and show you how versatile this bread is and turn it into a spiced roti. Now, these are really handy to have in the freezer. You don't even need to defrost them. All you need to do is heat up a pan just on a medium to high heat, and straight from the freezer we place them onto the pan, no oil required. They're going to take about 1 minute on each side. Now, while the roti is toasting, let's get onto the spice mix. So some ghee, and we want about a spoonful or so into a pot and allow that to melt. And then I have some of my favourite spices and seeds that I love to use with my roti. So I'll start with some paprika, so some ground paprika, straight into the ghee, along with some fennel seeds. And I love sesame seeds, so we can add some sesame seeds. Now, this is just one example of a spice ghee that you can brush onto your roti. There are so many different combinations. It really depends on what you're serving your roti with. So I'm going to mix that, and as it heats up, it's going to toast those beautiful spices and the sesame seeds. I'll also add a pinch of salt. And whenever you're using spices like this, use the salt because it brings out the flavour of those spices. Let's turn our roti. Oh, look at that gorgeous, crispy exterior. And now with my pastry brush, I'm just going to brush some of the spice ghee on one side. This makes it extra decadent because of the ghee, but that little pop of flavour from the spices just takes it to the next level. We can turn it back over, and we'll add our spiced ghee on the other side. Now, you don't want to toast this for too long. It's just to warm up, turn the heat off, and we'll take it out of the pan. Look how fluffy and puffy it goes. So good. Now, to serve this, just got a knife. We're going to cut this into big triangles. And to serve it up, I've got some hummus here. Pop that on the plate. When I'm a little bit peckish in the afternoon, this is my ultimate snack. Spiced roti, a little bit of hummus. That is so good. And even better when they're still piping hot.